Hello developers, welcome in Blantech Studio. In this video series, we are trying to learn how to install or set an environment of Flutter. So first of all, we will open Android Studio to download plugin of Flutter. So go to in File, Settings, Plugins and search here Flutter, F-L-U-T-T-R, Flutter. Click in here, search in repositories, languages, click on install, wait for installation and click on restart Android Studio, apply and again OK, restart and wait for restarting of Android Studio. Wait for restarting Android Studio. So after restarting, you can check it here. Flutter Inspector is available here. So you can click on File, New and New Flutter project, or you can also go through it first of all close project and start a new Flutter project. Click on Flutter application, next install SDK. So you have to choose a path where to install your SDK. So click here, I want to install my SDK in D drive, D and new folder Flutter space SDK. Okay, where is the Flutter SDK? Here. Click on here and OK. Okay, that is the path and install. Oh, someone is path Flutter SDK path not given. So here's the problem. Again, click on D drive or Flutter SDK, then OK. Yeah. You can check it here, cloning Flutter repository. So it is that mean your Flutter repository is downloading process. So wait for installation. Nowadays Flutter is on alpha version from Google, so maybe it give us some time bug or any errors. Don't worry about it. Maybe take 10 to 15 minutes or 20 to 25 minutes downloading a full repository of Flutter. But Flutter is a totally new and creative SDK for UI designing in Android Studio. You should have to download or try to Flutter SDK for UI designing. So you can also download the Flutter SDK via flutter.io, or you can go through my video. After the full installation of Flutter SDK, the next button is enable. Click on next and click on finish. Wait for the configuration. The Android Studio creating Flutter project, building symbols. It may also take 5 minutes. Now it completed. You can see it main.dart, nothing to show. Analyzing is here. Wait for the completion. Close the console. So you want to run hello world program, you should have to create first of all AVD device. So click on tools, Android device monitor, AVD manager. Click on AVD manager and you can click on any devices if you have been created previously. If you are not created it, go create virtual device and select any device from here and click on next. Select any package name or any API level. Again click next. You can create a device. I have been created previously, so I have click on cancel. I am selecting Google Nexus 5X click on play button and wait for starting a device. It also takes some time because Android rarely have a software to work on it. After the creating this device, you can see it here. Android SDK built for 86 devices come. So you can click on play button or you can directly click on run and wait for the installation. After completion of this process, you can check it your emulator. So first of all, console, so open emulator and you can see this output. It says your app is running, and if you want to run app like hello world, so you should have to go flutter.io and write your first app or copy this code and paste it here. First of all, click all code and delete it and paste it here and press Ctrl S. You can see it here. It works without running your app again. That's called hot reloading. You can check it your hot reloading is working or not. Like type here welcome Blind Tech Studio, and Ctrl S for saving, performing hot reloading and open emulator. Here welcome Blind Tech Studio. So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned with Blind Tech Studio.